How to use MyCase case management properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many attorneys think signing into MyCase is enough to manage cases, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that lead to missed deadlines, disorganization, and unhappy clients. The first mistake is failing to organize cases properly. MyCase allows folders for documents, communications, and tasks, but beginners who leave files in a general inbox risk losing important information. Use clear folders for each client and case. Another common error is ignoring task and deadline tracking. MyCase has built-in reminders, but beginners who don't set them may miss court dates, meetings, or filings. Assign tasks, set due dates, and review your dashboard daily. Many users fail to log communications consistently. MyCase offers secure messaging, but beginners who rely on email or texting outside the portal create gaps in the record. Centralize all communications in MyCase. Neglecting time tracking and billing is another pitfall. MyCase supports billable hours and invoices, but beginners who skip entries risk lost revenue or client disputes. Track time daily and generate invoices accurately. Finally, some assume MyCase replaces judgment. While it streamlines workflow, beginners must review case details, prioritize tasks, and ensure compliance with legal standards. To use MyCase properly, organize files and cases, track tasks and deadlines, centralize communications, lock billable hours, and actively review case progress. Avoid these mistakes, and your practice will be efficient, accurate, and client-focused.